thinking about sustainability, precision is the key to success. Let's have a look at how to implement precision on the factory floor. So, what matters the most in multi-axis applications such as this one is the synchronization between the different motors, like here for example. Thanks to PLC and motion controllers, the motors can operate both extremely quickly and precisely to ensure that the material is stretched evenly. Here, every millisecond and millimeter of material matters. Another example? Let's look at final product sealing during the packaging stage. This process consumes a lot of energy and materials, so there is no room for any mistakes. If the system notices that a candy is missing from the belt, it stops the process immediately. Again, synchronization and immediate data sharing between components is paramount. There are tons of waste related to how products are packed and delivered to users. Precise cutting and uninterrupted flow of packaged goods ensures that the process flows smoothly and that energy and materials are not wasted. Remember, revolutions can even start on a micro level. See you in the next episode.